This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, all right. Let's continue the same topic, your actions. Before we start working with your actions, once again we can recollecting the things. What is your action and where we can create your actions and how we can write the code into your actions. So typically the UI actions are using to perform some operations like automatically when I click on that button or hyperlink. So when we click on that button, some code will execute behind it and perform the action. So who can write the code? ServiceNow developer will write the code according to your business requirement. Okay. So coming to exercise number 3, there should be a button on incident form to create new child incident from being on the parent incident form. Once created child incident, immediately it should be redirected to child incident ticket. Okay. Let me open my instance. Guys, do you understand the requirement? Let me repeat once again. Meanwhile, so the instance is going to wake up. So we have to create one new button on incident form where form button. So why we need to create this button? Create new child incident. So when you click on that new child incident button, automatically system should be create one new incident ticket from parent incident. Parent incident nothing but current open incident record. Once created child incident ticket, so then we need to redirect to the respect to child incident. And if you want to back to your like a parent incident, you can be able to back out also. Okay, just start building. Okay, let's navigate it to incident table and open any existing record. Record number 24 issued with a web page on wiki. Okay, just I have opened one existing incident ticket. Okay, now I want to create one child incident being the current incident. So current incident ticket I have opened the browser. So I want to create one button on the form. So when click on that button, system should create one child incident ticket. While creating child incident ticket, need to be copied from values from some values from parent to child, and immediately system will be redirected to child incident ticket. In case you want to like redirect by again parent also, you can be able to do it. So how to achieve it? Right click on formatter, go to configure and UI actions. Click on new. Unless instance you can deactivate, not required. These buttons. And I'm going to creating one new UI action. UI action name is create child incident. Create child incident. A table. So you want to create new incident into which table? The table we have to select, and order number we can pass the next order number. If you created already previous, if you have already created any UI actions before, so we can pass the next order number, and then we can pass the action name. Create child incident. Okay, so this UI action need to be populate only updating. I don't want like a displaying inserting. And this UI action want to display where form button. If you want to display any other places, you can enable the checkbox and come to like a scripting part and then write the code. So how to create child incident from existing incident? Okay, first of all, you would like to know why we need to create child incident. For example, I'm the customer. Already I have created one incident ticket when I face the particular issue, and the same issue is repeated after some time, like after 1 week or 15 days. So when you want to create same kind of incident, so no need to fulfill all the required details. So simply you can open that existing incident when you want to create the like the same incident, and there should be a button that is called create child incident. When we click on that create child incident button, automatically system will create one new incident and meanwhile copy the existing incident values. Okay, now let me write the code. Come into scripting part, and how to write the code and what are the values you want to copy. So we have to define the like a glide record API. Okay, see, copy the entire code. If you want to type it, you can type it. It will take some time. Okay, so variable gr equal to new glide record. The table we have to define, and gr dot, and first of all we need to initialize the record. Initialize, or else you can take new record also. There is one more method, gr dot initialize. Then, so what are the field values you want to fulfill? Those all field values: short description and current short description, category, current category. So all the field values you can copy it. See, click on gr dot short description equal to current dot short description. First of all, when you click on that button, okay, so it will be fetched the current record short description value can store into this record short description, current dot short description. Gr dot category equal to current dot category. Gr dot category equal to and dot subcategory, and priority also I want to copy it. Gr dot priority dot equal to dot priority. And next one is I want to copy caller ID also. So caller ID nothing but who is click on the button, that person created incident ticket, right? So in this case, first of all, what we can do? So I need to get the current login user ID. So gr dot caller ID equal to gs dot get user ID. So get user ID will be get the current login ID and set into caller ID field, and you can fulfill the remaining details. This is also very important. How that how can you build that relation between parent and child? So gr dot parent, gr dot parent, parent nothing but a current incident ticket and a current sys ID. So current sys ID can copy and set into the like make it parent. Okay, and any other details if you want to copy, those details also will be able to take it. Impact and agency and the user ID. Okay, and finally I want to use so insert method. You can copy these lines of code also. So variable like a sys ID, this is not required. Okay, so variable gr equal to new glide record. Okay, so now I'm going to creating one child incident ticket, not manually. So when customer click on that button, so immediately this code will be executed behind it and create the new child incident ticket. How you can create the like incident or problem change? We have to use glide record API, where we are going to creating new incident. It's incident table, and first of all we have to initialize the like a record. It's a compose, and what are the field values you want to copy from parent to child, like a short description, category, subcategory, priority, caller ID. So caller ID is dynamically I'm going to setting, and the GS start get user ID will be getting the current login user ID and setting to caller ID. So then like a current dot sys ID can copy like a map to parent. So then I want to insert it. After insert the record, immediately I want to display the message on server side. GS start add info message, new incident, child incident, like incident number, I can display the created. So new incident has been created, and then so I don't want to run this lines of code. Just you can keep in comment as of now and save it. And meanwhile, you can open one more duplicate tab and open incident table, go to all, and this is a new employee, right? Or else lost connection due to wireless network. Open this particular incident ticket. Sorry, it is in the closed state, right? Not record this one. It's resolved. Okay. So now I'm going to creating a new child incident ticket. So when you suppose this record number 29, right? So when you click on that create child incident button, this result state, that's why it's asking to fulfill the mandatory fields. You can ask any other states records. Yes, it's on hold. So when you click on that create child incident, yes, immediately system will be create one incident ticket, right? But it's very difficult to find out which record we have created recently. And if you want to get it that latest record, so you can add updated field to your column, like your list view. Click on OK. Now I want to get latest record which is created. So record number unable to first write. Suppose 9001, and I will add state field also. So I'm taking record number. So this one, rain is leaking on main DNS server. Open this incident ticket and create new child incident. And when you click on that button, automatically create the one more child incident. So once again, you can refresh the browser.
It's inc.number or gr.number.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to move to my initialize
Down
parent
www.
here current. So once again, you can check the all the lines of code, category, subcategory, spelling mistake category, subcategory, priority, caller ID, parent, current sys ID, get user ID, current dot priority, current dot subcategory, current dot category, short description, initialize spelling also correct, incident, insert, add info message, my new child incident.
And line
Okay,
number 10, sir. INC.insert. GR.insert, no?
yes, just a minute. Just start. And so now I have removed this comment, this line of comment. Action not set redirect URL to GR. So once created a new incident ticket, then automatically it will be redirected to the incident ticket. First of all, let me code once again. Save the code, then open any incident ticket. What is the short description? Need to add more memory to laptop. So this incident number is 25. Okay. So when I want to create same kind of incident, like let's you can consider it's a child incident, just you can click on that button, create child incident. Okay. Are you submitting priority one incident ticket? Click on OK. Yes. The system will be create one more incident ticket, right? So incident number 1222. So while creating this incident ticket, what happened? It is copying the some values also, like a color, and a color nothing but current login is ready set into that color, and remaining details priority and category record is created, but some values are not copied. Some values are not copied. Set redirect URL of GR. Save it once again. And this incident has already created. So when I click on this button, create child incident. Okay, so new child incident is created. That record number is 123. Okay, suppose color also I want to get it. Here I have taken current caller ID, right? See, I will change that caller ID also. Current dot caller ID I will be fetched. Current dot caller ID. Save it. And go to incident table, click on all, open any incident ticket, right? Drain is leaking on main DNS server. Open record number 0000016. So when you want to create same kind of incident, no need to fulfill all the required details. just you can click on that create child incident like a UI action or button. So system will be created like a same kind of incident. Color is Borageri. Record number 00016. Now it's created like a 124. So once created child incident ticket, automatically system will be redirected to child incident ticket. So when you want to back to the system, so when you click on the back arrow, automatically back to current incident number, current incident ticket. So here Borageri is the caller and the priority is the planning and rain is leaking on maintenance server. So description also copied. So when you click on that back arrow, so automatically it will come to current record, but it's not coming to current record, right? Why? So I have to like write the one more line, add the one more line of code. Action set redirect URL to current. These two methods are very important. How we can redirect it to the current like a current record? So set return URL to current. So how you can redirect it to guide record? Set redirect URL to GR. So now I'm creating this record, right? That's why it will be entering to that current record. Then I'm back to parent record. Once again, save it. And click on all and open this record. Need to add more memory on laptop. Open record number 123. So 123, you can take it as a parent. When you want to create same kind of incident, just you can click on the create child incident. So when you click on that button, immediately system will be create the one more record. It is taking new child incident INC 10125 created. And meanwhile, it is redirected to this current record, like a child record. When you want to back to parent and go to 125, then back to 123 child incident. So in this case, we have to use these two methods. Action dot set redirect URL to GR, action dot set return URL to current. Clear, guys? Clear? And coming to second exercise, next exercise is like exercise number 4. There should be a UI action on incident record to create 3 incident tasks automatically associated with same incident. Okay, the requirement is, so when you click on that button, immediately I want to create 3 task records, 3 incident task records. Incidents are going to create in which table? Incident table. Incident tasks are going to creating incident task table. Incident task is the one more table is there. Okay, so where we can define that relation between the incident and the incident task table, so I can show you practically. Okay, and coming to our like a code. So how can you create the incident task? First of all, remove these all unnecessary UI actions, configure and UI actions. And get latest UI actions on top. These 3 you can deactivate. And create new incident like a new UI action. What is the UI action name? Create incident task. Incident task. Order number 900 something. And create incident task. Inserting. Okay, so when we can create the incident task after created parent incident. That's why I don't want to show this button while inserting. So this button I want to show only updating. That's why I have selected show update. This UI action need to be populate on where form button and coming to code. Okay, so here we have to how can you create multiple incidents, guys? So we have to use the for loop. Okay, so in this case you can take this code Okay, how you can create multiple child tasks. So based on that current task, see variable short description. Short description is nothing but say variable name equal to. So we have to define the array. This is called array. Array nothing but collection of values. So incident task one, incident task two, incident task three, and then I can define the for loop. So this I equal to 0, then I like a less greater than short description dot length, then I plus plus. Short description value can be increased automatically. So short description value can define like incident task one, incident task two, and task three. Then we can create the like incident task tickets. So how to create incident task? We have to use glide record only. Variable gr equal to new glide record of like a table where you want to create task table like a task, and then initialize are common, or else sometimes you can be able to use like a new record also. Both are the same. And a short description, and the short description of I value, right? So short description value can store into I, so it can be increasing. And gr description also I want to copy from like a parent one, and incident current sysid, then insert it. And after create a task ticket, so we can redirect it to like a current only. Okay, then save it and go to all. Wireless access is down in my area. Okay, so first of all I want to know where we can create. Just wait. Child incident, yes, child incident, right? Not child incident, it's incident task, right? Incident task related list is not added to my incident form. First of all, let me add it. Right click, configure, and related list, incident task which is already created. Click on save it. Okay, so in this case I have opened this record number 000003. I'm going to creating incident task. So when you click on that button, immediately system will be create incident task for the current incident ticket. Now it's empty. So when you click on that button, okay, create child incident task, scroll down. Here we can be able to see incident task. Where is my related list incident task? It's not added, I think. Configure related list. I think it's not saved. Save it. Previously I didn't save, that's why unable to see here. Okay, already I created 3 incident tasks, right? So already click on that button. When you click on this button, system will be create 3 incident tasks. I think it's not correct related list. Let me configure related list, not change in parent. Is all the list predefined one. Incident task, incident, and click on save. This relationship already they have built in the background to related list. See, already I created 3 incident tasks to this incident ticket. Now let me check whether it is created or not. Yes, incident tasks are created, right? Incident task 1, incident task 2, and incident task 3. And again go to all and checking with another record. Record number 50, cannot access. Exchange server is it down? Okay. Now I'm taking this incident ticket, record number 50. incident tasks are empty. Now incident tasks are empty, right? There are no incident tasks. So when you click on that button, create incident task, our code will be executed in background and create 3 incident tasks. Incident task, right? This is the way how to create multiple records to incident task. Okay, please do remember this code also. It's very, very important. They're asking so many times in interview also. Just you can hire the code. Okay. And next one, coming to exercise number 5. So create new UI action to open the problem form from the incident table record. Just we have to use the URL. For example, go to incident record. This is incident record. Okay, now I want to create one UI action. When you click on that UI action, automatically it will be redirected to problem. So create a problem. When you click on this one, automatically it will be redirected to problem table, right? Okay. And similarly, I want to create one more UI action. So that action should be like this problem ticket has created through that respective incident ticket. But just I want to navigate it to problem from the existing event incident. Go to all and open any incident ticket and right click. Configure. Just a second. Create new UI action. So now I'm going to creating open problem form. Simply I want to open a problem form and pass next order numbers. After created, right? After created incident ticket, I want to show this one. So this button I want to show form context menu. And just you can define the URL. You can like redirect it to any specific form URL. Just you can define the link like this. Okay. Just you can change the table name. So variable URL equal to, if you want to navigate to problem, you can define the problem.do. If you want to navigate it to incident.do. If you want to navigate it to change request, change underscore request.do, like that. And set redirect URL to that particular form. Save it. And navigate it to here. Go to all. Open an incident ticket. I am opening 9001. And here we can see open where it is open problem form. So when you click on that open problem form, automatically system will be redirected to problem form. But when you want to create the problem like a problem ticket through existing incident, that is different. Okay, just I'm going to open the problem. Okay, and we have so many exercises in UI action, guys. Remaining we can discuss on tomorrow. Okay, it's not completed. Tomorrow we can create the more UI actions. Not tomorrow, next class on Monday. Okay, please practice well, guys. I'm going to end up class today. See you tomorrow.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, if you want to do any scripting here, do we need to go with the client script or server side script?
Actually, UI action by default, it's running from server side. But if you want to run on the client side also, it can be possible. While creating any UI action, there is one more checkbox. Did you notice? Right click, go to configure. Tomorrow week, like a Monday, we can working on so many examples. Don't worry. How you can run UI action both sides, client and server side. I will create one more UI action also. I want to run UI action both sides. How can you call it? See, this is the new view action, right? Okay, by default, view action will be running on the server side. There we can use the current object, and maximum we can using only glide record. But if you want to run same view action on the client side, just we have to enable the checkbox client, and on click we have to define the like a client side function. Then we have to use the g underscore user or g underscore form. These two methods APIs are very frequent using in client side. I can show you on Monday. You can
Yeah,
run
you told.
view
Yeah,
action
you
both
told to
sides.
enable client. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Already I coordinate class. Okay, I'm going to wind up class today, guys. See you on Monday.